Quick guide. Change batteries in all SimpliSafe sensors in 60 seconds. Tools checklist. Replacement batteries, small screwdriver, flat pry tool. Safety tip. Power down the system or set to test mode before replacing batteries. Entry sensor. Press the release tab. Separate the two pieces, expose the battery. Replace the coin cell. Confirm the printed battery type, positive side up, snap closed. Motion sensor. Open the back cover, swap AA or AAA cells, match polarity, reattach cover. Glass break sensor. Remove the cover, replace the listed batteries, align contacts, close securely. Keypad. Slide the bottom plate, swap the rechargeable pack or AS, reconnect any cable if present. Key fob. Pry open the cover, replace the coin cell, test the button response. Smoke and CO units vary. Check your manual. Some are sealed and non-replaceable. After replacing each battery, test the sensor in the app or ARM briefly to confirm status. Recycle old batteries, keep spares, and contact SimpliSafe support if any sensor fails.